I have a couple of hauls from different stores. The first one is from Elizabeth Craft Design, and I picked up this stamp. It's called CS 193 Block Words Travel. This one says vacay moment, relax, hashtag offline, travel. Love this so much. So I did stamp them. This one is vacay moment, relax, hashtag offline, and then travel, and love this so much. So they do go with a die that she has. I did pick it up in the sale that she had, but they were not on sale, the dies. So I did pick them up. So as soon as they come in, I'll show you. Then I picked up this die and stamp. This one is Sunshine, and it comes with 8 dies, and this one is the CS242 Sunshine. And this one says, some days you just have to create your own sunshine. Sam Guess, I believe his name is. And so it comes with 8 dies, and those are the dies which I put in these sleeves. And so I did cut it out, and I did watercolor them. Do not make fun of my watercoloring. I don't know how to do it, but this is how these came out, and I did cut them. And I did some darker because I was thinking the sun hits it there, and it's more lighter over here with the shade. So that's my intake on that. So don't judge. I never took a watercolor class. This is me doing it on my own. And this is the little leaves that cuts out. I think this one moved, and that's why it's, and this one I cut later on, not at the same time. So I was taking my time with that one. And then this one also moved because it's supposed to look like this. And as you can see, it cut off this one right here, right there. And I did use my watercolor paper, which was the Canson watercolor. And this is the other one, Sunshine. I picked up some more dies. This one is the Planner Essentials, and it's the 1805 Planner Essential Wave Pocket, and it's die number 30. I never picked this one up, so I picked it up. I think this one was on sale for $15, if I'm not mistaken. And this one also, this one is the 1605 Planner Essentials 3. And this one was $15 also. And it has this photo die that it reminds me of a Polaroid. And then some tags, some flags here. And then for the record, love this week. And then some, I think they're lemons. So I picked up those two. And I did pick up the cardstock C as in cat 007 Wanderlust. And let me just show you. And so I do have all their paper cardstock. So Wanderlust, and it's from the Art Journals Specials. So this is the back of that one. So beautiful. That's one thing, they do have beautiful cardstock. That's the back. If they only would make it that you get 2 in each set, that would be great, because then you don't have to buy 2 packets, and they are kind of expensive. And then this one with they look like blueberries, but I think they're pumpkins. And then the mushrooms. They make it so alive, these cardstock. I love the brick work. This is baby breath. And then look at that. We just drove to PA to see the trees changing, and they look exactly like that. It was so beautiful. The reds and the yellows and the orange. And more mushrooms. Ladybug? No, that's a flower. That's part of the flower. So I guess you do get two. Yep. And these are the. Yep. Okay, so I was mistaken. You do get two. So that's good. That is it for Elizabeth Craft. Let me take this out. Now I want to show you what I picked up at. Oops. It was an avalanche here. In scrapbook.com. So I picked up this pocket dies, and I do have the other one where it goes rectangle. So these are the squares. So I picked these up, and they do go well with your photo albums, the simple story ones. They're supposed to cut out for the mat that goes in it, and they did give you a stencil for free if you ordered that week. And I picked up the little standard short magic mat, and this thing does work, these magic mats, because I do have the longer version, and I've been using it since I bought it, and it has saved me from using plates, the acrylic plates. And you can put a heat gun if they warp on you, but what I do is I just put some heavy stuff on it to keep it straight when I finish with it. So that's what I picked up in scrapbook.com. And now for Michael's, I picked up some cardstock for the deal, the Hot Buy deals. And every time I went, they did not have this cardstock. So I finally found this, so I did buy one and you get the two free for $19.99. So this one has the 24 designs and from Recollections. And I know everybody has seen this paper pad, but mine was a little damaged here. And it was the only one, but I did check inside to make sure it wasn't damaged, and it wasn't. So that's why I picked it up. And let me just flip through here really quick. You get 24 designs. You get these dragonflies. Love these flowers. You get this gold foil with green. And I don't know if you can see that butterfly there. Loving that paper. Love the polka dots. Anything with polka dots. And then these are the cutouts. Beautiful. That's a nice scrapbook page. You could cut out this and stuff your picture in there, and then here make it a big picture of you. Love the butterflies. Love the flowers. And it's light colors, and that's what I like. This one you could cut out each butterfly. So beautiful, these flowers. I can't wait. It hasn't even become winter here, but I want it to be summer again. The winters hurt my body, and always for this time of month I get sick, and I was so sick last week that I took off this week just to recoup. And yeah, every time, every year. My boss says, hey, when are you gonna get sick? It's like a joke. And this time I got sick earlier. So this one is the Butterfly Collage. And the next one I picked up, I didn't see this one last time. This one is the Harvest Metal from Recollections. Again, you get 48 sheets, 24 designs. And let me just open this for you. Let's see those here. Open this one also. Okay, this one is the Harvest Metal. And the best things in life are the people we love and the memories we've made along the way. That's pretty. You can put that in a picture frame. Love that gold foiling. You can make a fall traveler's notebook. Alphabets. Love the squash and the pumpkins. I like the colors because they're not so dark. And these are the cutouts. You can make a little photo tag book there. Those are cute. You could put it in a 6x6 card. Autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. Be grateful, be humble, be kind. This is our happy place. Very pretty. That's pretty. And that's the last one. And the last paper pad from Michael's was this pink Parasol from Recollections. Again, 48 pages, 24 designs. And this one has like the little typewriter alpha. That one looks like a one of those. Oh, it's right in my head. Lace. A lace book. These are the cutouts. There's 2 tags there. Little houses. Not my. I don't like that one. Loving that one. That looks like one of those ceiling tiles, those fancy ceiling tiles. Some cutouts. Some more cutouts. This is our story, a lovely life. Adventure awaits, some kind of wonderful. Some gold foil. Loving this one. The little envelopes. Love the wood grain. And the last one. That one is cute. And then at the checkout, they have these little sales. So I picked up these stamps for $1.99. And I did stamp them out for you. And this one here is the butterfly with dragonfly, the bumblebee, and the ladybug. That's how this one's stamped. I wasn't really taking my time on stamping it. That's why I stamped over there. Next one is travel themed. So that's how that looks. I love the little world. It's pretty. And then the little fox, bear, and the hedgehog and the bird. And so that's there. So for $1.99, can't go wrong. You could put this in your traveler's notebooks, calendar book. And then at Target, I picked up these wreaths. It's one kit, and it shows you how to make your own wreaths. So I picked it up. I might do something here, like Vicky's Happy Place, something like that, hopefully. So I picked up 2, just in case I mess one up. So it was only, I think it was $3, yeah, $3 each. And that was the only exciting thing in the dollar section of Target. And that is it. As always, if you have any comments, please leave it down below. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and if please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss videos like this. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.